You want to hit 50 push-ups in one set, but right now you can barely get past 20 before your arms give out and your form falls apart. You try pushing harder, you try doing more sets, but the number stays the same week after week. The problem is not your effort. The problem is you are training push-ups the wrong way. When you cannot get past a certain number of push-ups, it is usually because one of three things is failing first. Your chest and triceps run out of strength, your shoulders fatigue and start to round forward, or your core cannot hold your body straight anymore and your hips sag. Most people try to fix this by doing more push-ups every day. This does not work because you are just repeating the same weakness over and over without actually making it stronger. Here's what happens when you do a push-up. Your chest and triceps push your body up. Your shoulders stabilize the movement. Your core keeps your spine neutral from your head to your heels. All three systems have to work together for the full set. If one system is weaker than the others, that system fails first and ends your set early. Doing more push-ups when you are already fatigued just trains your body to fail in the same place every time. The proven method to reach 50 push-ups is to strengthen the weak link separately, then build your total volume across the week without burning out. This takes 4 to 6 weeks if you follow the system exactly. Start with one test set. Do as many push-ups as you can with good form. Stop when your hips sag, your shoulders roll forward, or you cannot push yourself all the way up. Write down that number. Now you know your baseline. For the next 4 weeks, you will train push-ups 3 times per week with at least one full rest day between sessions. You will not do push-ups on back-to-back days. Your muscles grow during rest, not during the workout. Each session has 2 parts. First, you do submaximal sets to build volume. Second, you strengthen the weak link with assistance work. Here's how the submaximal sets work. Take your baseline number and multiply it by 0.6. If your baseline is 20 push-ups, your working number is 12. You will do 5 sets of that number with 2 minutes of rest between sets. Do not go to failure. Stop at your working number even if you feel like you can do more. This builds volume without creating so much fatigue that your form breaks down. Every week, add 1 repetition to each set. Week 1 is 5 sets of 13, Week 2 is 5 sets of 14, Week 3 is 5 sets of 15. If you cannot complete all 5 sets at the new number with good form, stay at that number for another week before adding more. After your 5 submaximal sets, you do assistance work to fix the weak link. If your chest and triceps fail first, do 3 sets of 8 slow eccentric push-ups. Lower yourself down for 4 seconds, then push back up normally. Rest 2 minutes between sets. If your shoulders fatigue first, do 3 sets of 10 push-up holds at the top position. Hold your body straight with your arms locked out for 20 seconds. Repeat. If your core gives out and your hips sag, do 3 sets of 30-second planks with perfect alignment. Focus on squeezing your glutes and pulling your belly button toward your spine. You only pick 1 assistance exercise per session based on whichever system failed first in your baseline test. Do not try to train everything at once. On your non-push-up days, do not do any other heavy chest or tricep work. You can train your back, legs, and shoulders, but your pushing muscles need full recovery between sessions. Sleep at least 7 hours per night. Eat enough protein to support muscle repair. If you are in a steep calorie deficit, your progress will stall because your body does not have the resources to build strength. After 4 weeks of this system, retest your max set. Most people add 15 to 20 repetitions to their baseline if they followed the plan without skipping sessions or adding extra work. If you are not at 50 yet, run the program for another 2 weeks using your new baseline to calculate your submaximal sets. The mistake most people make is testing their max too often. Every time you go to failure, you create fatigue that takes 2 to 3 days to recover from fully. This cuts into your next training session and slows your progress. You only test your max once at the start and once at the end of each 4-week block. Every other session is submaximal volume and assistance work. When you do hit 50 push-ups, the system does not stop. To maintain that number, you need at least 2 sessions per week with 3 to 4 sets in the 30 to 40 repetition range. If you stop training push-ups completely, your endurance will drop within 2 weeks. Start your next session with a proper test set. Write down your number, calculate your submaximal sets, pick your assistance exercise, train 3 days per week with full rest days in between. Retest after 4 weeks. Follow the system and your numbers will go up.